Hey guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video of Quick Guide, and in this video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable the watermark on SnapEdit. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. In order to do that, you first of all have to open your SnapEdit application, and whenever you try to edit something in SnapEdit, you will get this type of watermark into the left side of your picture, and whenever you try to remove it, it will ask you to watch an ad in order to remove this. But you can fix this just by going into the settings and disabling the watermark. This is gonna be very helpful. So before moving into the process, just simply like this video at very first. Now let's get into the video. Again, just simply tap into this three dashes into the top right corner, and from there you will get to see this watermark option directly. Now just simply disable this watermark option, and you can also enable it by tapping into that toggle again. And when you disable the watermark and start a new editing, it won't show into your edits. For example, as you can see here, the watermark is completely gone and you don't have to watch any ads now. This way, you can easily enable and disable the watermarks of SnapEdit. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.